Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend, like I said this morning, until the higher time frames like the daily and up tell me that this is not still trending up. I am definitely going to continue to look for long entries at the end of pullbacks. We now have a Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. This move down to me is looking pretty corrective. So I am definitely looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside. If it happens at the 61.8 or the 78.6, we get that nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, then I will go long again for the continuation of the uptrend until the higher time frames like the 4-hour daily and up give me a reason to stop looking for longs. I am definitely going to continue to go long at the end of every single pullback that I see on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.